Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to unlock God Mode in Windows 11. Yes, you heard that right. This feature lets you access a ton of advanced settings all in one place, making managing your system a breeze. Let's jump right in. First, let's start by creating a new folder on your desktop. Simply right-click anywhere on your desktop, then hover over New, and select Folder from the drop-down menu. Now, here's where the magic happens. We need to rename this folder. So go ahead and right-click on the new folder and select Rename. Type the following name exactly as I show you. And make sure you include the period and curly braces. Once you're done, hit Enter. Voila! The folder should instantly change into a control panel icon, and it'll be labeled God Mode. Now, simply double-click the folder, and here it is, God Mode in all its glory. You'll see a list of over 200 different system settings you can tweak right from this one place. Super convenient, right? And that's it! You've just unlocked God Mode in Windows 11. Now managing your system settings is easier than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Got any questions or need further help? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.